Hi, it's Esther here from Online Media Works. So we're on day 9 of how to grow your presence on LinkedIn. So today we're going to be looking at privacy settings. So if you log into LinkedIn and you see where your little profile picture is on the top navigation bar, if you go to the downward arrow underneath that, then go down to settings and privacy. When you get into settings and privacy, I really suggest that you go through all of these different options. I know it looks like a lot, but it makes a big difference because you can turn on or off whether you want to share stuff with everybody or just with your connections, whether you want to receive information from everybody or just your connections. While you're making changes, while we're sprucing up our LinkedIn profile, you might want to turn the notifications off so that your connections don't get a ping notification message to say Esther's changed her profile picture, Esther's changed her status, Esther's changed her, etc., etc. And you don't want to irritate everybody. And you can see who can see your connections. So when you've connected with somebody, they can then see all of your connections if that's how you set your profile on LinkedIn. So it's almost like opening your address book of everybody that you've got in your connections to your new connection. So one of the questions you need to ask yourself is, if I connect with this person, they can then see everybody I'm connected with. Is that really what I want to do? So if we go down, you can see here that it'll say showing your profile photo to I've chosen all LinkedIn members, but the options are no one, your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members. If we go back, you can see what your feed preferences are here. And again, you'll be able to see, who can people you're following, all the numbers, and you can keep a tab on some of these here. You'll notice that I've turned off people also viewed. That's really important because if you have people also viewed turned on, then if, for example, I'm an HR consultant and somebody's looking for an HR consultant, then when they look at my profile, it'll say people also viewed other HR consultants. So it's almost like you're promoting your competitors on LinkedIn unless you have that turned off. In terms of visibility here, you'll be able to see who can see or download your email address. Also really important, you want everybody that you're connected with on LinkedIn to be able to download your email address. You can see who can see your last name, what your profile looks like on or off LinkedIn, etc., etc. So I really suggest that you spend half an hour maybe going through all of these different options. They're here for a reason. They're here to give you customization over your LinkedIn profile and who can see what. So please, if you're stuck with any of this, please do send me a message. I'm always happy to help. And I will see you tomorrow.